Okay, so this tapping is for more defensive play. So I've taken the post-match reflections and looked at some of the main themes that came up. So there was not being strong enough, aggressive enough tackling, not dribbling on holding on to the ball enough, so passing the ball too quickly, not being confident enough on the ball. So I'm thinking it's being on the ball, keeping calm, remaining composed, being able to pass it, being able to drive into spaces, okay, being aggressive in tackles, keeping tight to your person you're marking. Okay, these are some of the themes that came up. So just focus on the last game. I'm going to focus on these bits. Tap along with me if you're new to this. Just follow what I say. If you want to, you can change the words a bit, to what's actually more relevant to you. Okay, so just have a think about your last game. And let's tap on the side of your hand. Sorry, let's just take my glove off. Even though I didn't go in hard enough to my tackles, I wasn't strong enough, wasn't aggressive enough. I made quick decisions. I could have taken my time more. I gave the ball away quickly. I didn't run into spaces. And I wasn't marking tightly enough. But that's okay. Even though all these things, as I reflected on, that could have gone better, but didn't. Second guessing myself, hesitating, panicking on the ball, not thinking clearly. But it's okay. Even though this is what happened. I could have done some things better. I did lots of things very well, but there's room for improvement. And I know what those things are. And that's okay. Okay, let's tap through the points. I hesitated. I second guessed myself. I panicked on the ball. I didn't go in strongly enough. I didn't drive forward enough. I was too quick to pass the ball. Some of my passes weren't weighted well enough. All these things. That happened. That I can see. It's a bit frustrating. A bit annoying. But the reflection was good. It gave me the opportunity to analyse what I did, see what the repercussions of it were, and know what I can do better. So everything I didn't do as well as I wanted to, or that I did better in training, or better last week, or that I got away with because of who we were playing. Taking the learning. Not beating myself up about it, but taking that and learning. Because I know that I can do better. I know because I've done it before. And that's okay. That's okay. So I'm letting go of this frustration, any annoyance with myself. And instead, I'm pleased that I've seen it. I'm pleased it happened. Because I won't do it again. And if I do, that's okay. Maybe I need to practice it some more. Whatever it is, it's okay. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to let go of that frustration and take the learning and use it in the next game. To remain calm on the ball, composed, to trust myself, trust my teammates, communicate with my teammates. They can yell at me, let me know when there's someone on me, when I need to be quick. But I'm trusting myself. My touch. To have a great first touch. And a controlled pass. I know where it's going to go. I've done it before. The energy of the game that's easy to get caught up in. Because it's fun. It's exciting. And using that. Not to worry, but to fuel me. My energy. To believe in myself. Trust myself. I don't need to hesitate. Make the decision. Go in strong. I don't need to be careless. Don't need to be careless. Don't need to give away cheap fouls. I'm strong. I'm aggressive. And that's great. I time my tackles well. I know what I'm doing. I don't need to panic. I can rely on my skills, trust myself to do my job, to get that ball, pass if that's the option, or dribble, move forward in space. Trusting myself, believing in myself. I know I can do it. I know I can. Believing in myself and letting go of anything that's going to get in the way of me not believing. And if I make a mistake, that's okay. I know now to reflect and deal with it later. It's good. I'll learn. I'll develop even more. Bring it on. Trusting myself. Trusting myself now. And feeling this self-belief, this excitement. I want to play. I want to get out there. Play my game. Show what I can do. Not let anything get past me. Tight defending. Winning that first ball. Going up for those headers. Communicating. Driving forward. I can't wait. Bring it on. Bring it on. Let's go. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Okay, now I'm feeling pretty excited to go out there, go in hard, go in aggressively, win those first balls, and yeah, play football. So tap, keep tapping if there's any doubt or fear or worry coming up. Okay, just keep tapping on that and bring it round to the excitement. And then just take a few moments to picture yourself playing according to the game plan, in your position, going out there, doing what Dan asks for you, knowing that you can do it. Okay, great. Have a great game, and I'll see you soon.